10 animals created by the devil himself. 1. Naked mole rat. The naked mole rat is like a weird creature that looks like combining a sausage with paws, a tail, and hamster teeth. This odd-looking creature has superpowers. Naked mole rats don't need to drink water, they get it from the plants they eat. They can live for more than 30 years, which is unusual for rodents. They're immune to cancer, have sharp hearing without visible ears, and don't feel pain. It's like they have superhero abilities, maybe even adamantium. Scientists discovered they can survive without oxygen for up to 20 minutes. 2. Mada Turtle. Scientists initially thought this turtle was a result of radiation, but it's simply a unique natural creature. This predator has a huge neck, an unusual skull, and a tiny trunk, yet there was no radiation involved. Fortunately, it does not harm individuals, at least not yet. It has a long nose, leathery sideburns, and head and neck spares. These features help it hunt and also scare tourists. It can't pull its neck into its shell like other turtles, but it can turn it to the side. 3. It's a unique lemur that spends its days hiding in its home. If it senses risk, it stays hidden. Surprisingly, the people of Madagascar are terrified of ais for unknown reasons. They are so terrified that scientists have yet to learn the true name of this animal in Malagasy because they are too afraid to mention it aloud. 4. Frill neck lizard. These creatures spend most of their time in trees, but once they go down to the ground, the show begins. Unlike other animals, frill neck lizards prefer to run on their two back legs, using their tail to avoid falling. When the lizard senses peril, it begins to flee, spreading its hood. 5. Asian sheep's head wrasse. The Asian sheep's head wrasse is a sea creature that lives in the South China Sea and around the Japanese islands. The young ones are far more attractive, with a bright yellow-orange body and no unusual growths. Another fascinating feature of these fish is that they transition from female to male and back multiple times during their lives. 6. Buob Borisa. This creature is, in reality, a pig, but unlike other species of its sort, the Buob Borisa has horns. But they can rather be called big canines that grow with age, just like how they bend almost 180 degrees, and in older individuals, they grow into the scalp. The Buob Borisa is a night animal, he sleeps during the day and hunts for food in the nighttime. Once this is due to the pig deer's shy nature, which causes it to hide from everyone throughout the night. 7. California Condor. It's a very rare species of bird. The fact is that once hunting them was very prestigious. These birds have a body length of more than 4 feet, a weight of 33 pounds, and a wingspan of about 10 feet. The Californian condor has a habit of eating the bodies of perished animals, but besides that, it's like other birds. They can fly at speeds of up to 55 miles per hour and are one of the world's longest living birds. A condor could live to be 60 years old and would probably be happy with some old meat as a birthday treat. So, even though it might not be the prettiest bird, it has its way of finding happiness. 8. The angler is a fish that lives deep in the ocean. It doesn't like making friends and enjoys teasing its neighbors before having a good meal. It attracts its prey with a glowing spine and then eats them for dinner. The angler's big mouth and flexible body let it swallow prey much larger than itself. So, it's kind of like an underwater creature, a glowing sock with teeth. 9. Cane Corso is a dog breed descended from ancient Roman fighting dogs. Their appearance and piercing look can be worrisome, making you want to move away. This creature is quite frightening. It's a big dog with powerful muscles, sharp teeth, and a gloomy expression. Cane Corsos may inspire fear in others, but those who know the breed find it insulting to hear negative things about their peace-loving pets. In reality, these dogs are loyal to their owners and even enjoy giving rides to small children. 10. Merl Pitbull. The color Merl is forbidden among professional dog breeders, and not only because they don't like spotty dogs. It's just that bulls of this color are more prone to neurological, and most importantly, mental problems.